विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. वेपार परवाने नाशिल्ल्या 6 दुकानांक मडगांव पालिकेन सोमारास सील लायलें. तशेंच खुबश्या वेपाऱ्यांक नोटीशी धाडिल्ल्यो आसात. फुडें बेकायदेशीर कांय खपोवन घेवचें ना, कडक कारवाय जातली. हातूंत लोकांचें सहकार्य जाय म्हूण मडगांव पालिकेचे मुख्याधिकारी सिद्धिविनायक नायक उलयल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
सो आज सकाळच्यान तुमी रेड चलयल्ली न्ही?
हय.
कितली शॉप सील केली?
Actually आयचे हें 6वें and this was the biggest of the in scale of size and redemption. In fact we had given notice long back. Okay, they had to pay default areas to the municipality. Since we came here in the morning, they said we will pay it by evening. So we had our other assignments in hand, which we completed. And then we cross-checked with our office, but still the payment was not done. We gave them option of even of RTGS. Okay, still this was specifically in the news, and all attention was on this. Why municipality is not taking any action? Allegations were also made that we are giving some sort of a long rope. Okay, but through this action, we want to give a message that we are stern in our action. We will spare no one. Okay, however big or small fish it may be, and the rest of the action is there in front of your eyes.
आज तुम्ही सील केलं न्ही
Hoy.
premises?
कितले पेमेंट आसता?
Answer around 34 lakh and odd amount कितर आशिल्लो. So they brought certain DD of I think which was lesser value 24 lakhs, which was certainly not one which we had given. See, we have our formulation, we have our own calculations which are done. We don't just charge haphazardly. Okay, there is no irrelation or nonsense equation involved in this. We are going by the equation. We are abiding with the formula which is there in the municipality for calculation of a tax. We have gone as per that. We don't want any kind of X, Y, Z allegations to happen later on. So we are very firm. We have done everything on a paper. We have given them, we have shown them the calculation, how it is arrived. Okay, so disputes aside, no doubt, if they have any grievances, they should have paid under protest. Okay, and then claim for the areas or whatever it is.
आयज मेरेन कितले तुम्ही रेवेन्यू रिकवरी केले?
Recovery आमची म्हाका दिसता हे सगळें excluding this. Okay, means I have today's calculation, but if you extrapolate purely revenue on this part, on this front, only because of the revenue drive is something around 1.5 crore. Okay.
आणि कितली शॉपां सील केली तुम्ही?
हेच्या पयलीं म्हाका दिसता टोटल 8 आणि 14 कोटी.
लास्ट 3 वीक्सा भितर?
Last 2 weeks भितर. We have intensified our drive only these 2. More demand notices are sent. Okay, demand notices itself are worth more than 1.5 crore. Okay, most of them are high net worth businesses like banks and financial institutions and some jewelry showrooms. Okay, who pay very high price, high rent, but the landlord in turn doesn't cumulatively give the house tax which they have, which they are due. Now here in this case, don't say that this Pantaloon is at fault. Okay, it's actually the landlord, property owner, who has defaulted. But the one who gets who comes in a bad light is very sorry to say.
ड्राइव चालू होता?
ड्राइव चालू आहे. ड्राइव चालू राहणार. Okay, because we want this not to make as a system as such, but let there be a clear message that municipality is not lax in its effort of revenue mopping. Okay, that is the thing that we are in.
अजूनही कोणी ट्रेड बीन अप्लाय करूना तांकां तुम्ही हे करता की फुडें येवन हे करचें म्हणून?
कारण आपण जाऊन फुडें येवपा जाय.
लोकांनी
आपण जाऊन फुडें येवपा जाय. आणि वॉट एवर our calculation is, they have to cooperate with our staff. Our staff is there to help them. Okay, this is not only this team that we have brought here. We have a back office team who is there dedicated to help the public. Okay, but still if the people don't, if businessmen don't come forward and cooperate with the municipality, this is the type of action that they would have to face. And I would also say that yeah, today we did an encroachment, some protrusions which were there outside that we have done. See, again, the impression is created that municipality is not paying any heed to any kind of illegalities. So what we have done is we have specially, although there was no gas cutter with the municipality, we have bought that capacity and we have executed our work. Part number 2, as regard to the clearance of passages, we have already done today at a Malbat area, wherein the high net worth goods were just kept and hardware goods were just kept in the passages that we have cleared. So I think goods worth around anywhere between 30 to 40,000 are seized today separately. And I want public to cooperate. I mean, I would request public to cooperate because they also have to face the inconvenience, maybe it traffic, or when there is a logistic movement of taking away or towing away this type of materials.